Hello everyone, how to Tots back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add Google extension Compose AI power writing tool. So how can you add on your Google Chrome? Okay, so you can see this is the Google Chrome. So what you need to do, you need to click here three dot, and after that you can see the extension and visit Chrome Web Store. And once you click there, then you can see this is the home page of Chrome extension. So simply tap here and type Compose AI and enter. So you can see this one. Okay, you can see this one. 193 ratings and 4 lakh users already uses this application. So what you need to do, you need to click here add to Chrome and again add extension. So it takes few time to add on your device. So you can see it's already downloading. So after that you can use this, and you can it's really many feature available here. So compare today's number, and thank you for watching.